Now your Storm Track 7 forecast on KWWL.
I'm Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. The wind almost non-existent here through the overnight hours. That'll set the stage for some areas of fog. Then as we get into the day tomorrow, we'll see it become a bit breezy. So remain foggy through the morning hours until the wind starts to kick up and stir up the atmosphere and clear out some of that fog. And we'll see a little sunshine. Winds out of the southeasterly direction in advance of the next storm system that we're tracking. As for tonight, we'll have a mostly cloudy sky. Some areas are looking at some clear sky, but fog will thicken up here during the overnight hours late into the morning. This is all fog here in eastern Iowa. Now as we head into the later part of the morning, still 10 o'clock, still foggy out there, but shortly after that should clear off pretty quickly. And see some sunshine around here. Mix of sun and clouds as we head through the afternoon hours. By evening, clouds are already starting to move in, and that'll spread into the area and eventually some rain by 10 o'clock. Should be in our southwestern counties maybe by about 8 o'clock, and then will be widespread across the area during the overnight hours. It'll continue overnight and come down pretty good, and by morning become a bit lighter and scattered in nature. As the rain continues and the storm continues to move away, it will dry out, but then the temperatures will start dropping and the wind will start picking up. Winds be gusting to about 30, 35 miles an hour potentially out of the northwesterly direction. Morning highs will be in the 40s and 50s. But then by the later part of the afternoon, we'll drop down into the lower 40s. Rain amounts out of that storm system anywhere from a ½ inch to an inch of rain expected. Again, it's going to be all rain around here. As for the next storm system that we're tracking, this one is for later next week, which leads us right in towards Thanksgiving. Some indication that there's going to be a storm here through the middle of the country. Exactly where is going to change. Yesterday, it was a track that took it over Indiana. Today it's across Iowa, so someplace around the middle of the country there's going to be a storm. Exactly where, still yet to be determined. So stay up to date if you have any travel plans here for next week, that there'll be a storm somewhere around the middle of the country here. As for what we can expect here tonight, mostly cloudy. Areas of fog late, low temperatures in the low 30s. Now, as you see the temperatures drop down below the freezing mark, there may be a couple of slick spots, especially the bridges and overpasses, so be careful tomorrow morning. Now, as for tomorrow, fog thins out. See a partly cloudy sky, a bit breezy. Temperatures will be in the mid-40s north, lower 50s to the south and southwest. Here's a look at your city-by-city forecast. There's your rain on Thursday morning. Friday is a dry day, but a much cooler day with temperatures in the 30s. Then we'll get back into the low and mid-40s here for the weekend into early part of next week. Right now it looks like that storm here on Tuesday is going to impact us in the chance for some rain. But again, many days out, and stay up to date on the forecast on that one. Right now it is on the rainy side for us with some snow back to the north and west.